Do you dream of living on the water? I know I do. In this video, I'm going to take you on a tour of an exclusive waterfront property in Scottsdale. Let's get into it. Hey guys, I'm Alejandra Paladino, your local Arizona real estate agent, and welcome back to my channel, Move Into Arizona. Today's property tour is this gorgeous home located in Scottsdale. It's 2,418 square feet. It's 4 bedrooms with 3 bathrooms. This house was built in 1977, but was recently remodeled completely, so it looks and feels like a brand new construction house. I can't wait for you to see it. Now, if you want any more information on this house, or if my team and I can help you in any other way, you can easily book a call with us by going to zoomtoarizona.com. If you find value in this video, make sure you like and subscribe. That way you can join the family and know when the next video comes out. And make sure you stay till the end, as I'm going to be sharing with you all about this beautiful area so you know what it would be like to live here. The house is tucked off of Via De Ventura, so it gives you some privacy, yet it's still conveniently located. Each home on the street is slowly being updated, so there's no cookie cutter design. You don't have to worry that your house is going to look like the house next door. Right as you walk up to the house, you can tell the exterior has been painted and well maintained. Front yard is turf, so it's low maintenance. There's a front courtyard, which would make a great outdoor dining. Large glass iron front door. Flooring is engineered hardwood floor and is throughout entire house. Main living area has vaulted ceilings with wood beams. Oversized glass chandelier from Restoration Hardware. Kitchen has quartz countertops and gold finishes with a skylight. Top of the line Wolf and Sub-Zero appliances. Laundry is located next to the kitchen. There's a 2-car garage. Several cabinets for storage. There's an electric vehicle charging station with a built-in sink. In the great room is a built-in wet bar with lighting underneath. The first bedroom is a good-sized room. Full-size bathroom located in the hall with modern gold finishes, black tub, and toilet. Entire house has modern finishes. This is the primary bedroom with an exterior door giving you a view and convenient access to the backyard. Primary bathroom has dual sinks with a walk-in shower. Large under the stairs closet, great for storage. The wood flooring goes on the stairs, and there's actually a little strip of lights underneath the stairs, adding for light. Here's the third bedroom. It's a full-size room, smaller than the other 2 rooms. It's been set up as an office. The room has its own private balcony, giving you a nice view of the lake. It's a large size balcony, allowing for different ways to enjoy it. There's a large walk-in closet. Another bathroom with a shower and tub combination. This has black finishes and the shower has tile going from the tub all the way to the ceiling. Built-in bookcase. This is the fourth bedroom. It's a nice sized room. Nice accent wall in the stairs. It's floor to ceiling mirrors. Dining area has a nice chandelier and a sliding door to the front courtyard. Backyard has nice sized patio for entertaining. There's an outdoor fireplace, built-in grill area. Look at that view. There's a small dock area. There's a hot tub with convenient access to the primary suite. Side yard has a putting green. There's a front grassy area with a tree. From here we can view the back patio with the spiral staircase that goes up to the back patio. Gosh, that house is absolutely stunning. I could just imagine sitting in the backyard and enjoying that view. And honestly, that view is beautiful all hours of the day. In the morning would be great with a cup of coffee. In the evening, to sit out there while you're winding down from the day. So many possibilities. McCormick Ranch is known for its golf club, which has 2 championship golf courses on it. One is the McCormick Ranch Golf Club Palm Course, and the other one is the Pine Course. Down the street is the McCormick Stillman Railroad Park. This park is incredible, and honestly, it's entertainment for all ages, from young to older. You can take a ride on the Paradise and Pacific Railroad. There's a huge playground area that the kids love. There's even a playground area that looks like a jail. The kids love running around playing there. You can host your birthday party there. There's this 1950 Allen Herschel vintage carousel that you can actually ride. My son loves all of these things, but he especially loves the model railroad building. This building is 10,000 square feet and it's full of model railroads everywhere, all kinds, different styles. They're of course behind glass because you can't play with them, you can only look at them, but they're running around. You can watch the train go through all kinds of little ventures. It's really a cool thing. You want to go check it out. And right down the street there's some delicious restaurants from quick fast food options to higher end, really tasty meals. And what I love about this area is that there's a variety of restaurants. You got every kind of food and culture that you're looking for. It's amazing. So definitely a great area. I hope you've enjoyed this tour of this gorgeous waterfront home. Remember, if you want any more information on this house, or if my team and I can help you in any other way, make sure you go to the URL zoomtoarizona.com and we will get you connected. We'll either do a phone call or a Zoom call. Thank you so much for hanging out, and I'll see you next time. Bye.